Welcome to Absolute ERP. In previous video, we have covered how to create sales order with price. In this video, we will demonstrate how to see your created sales orders without price. Basically, it is particular for those departments which you do not want to display the order prices. You will grant them access of this option, Sales Order Without Price. This is the main page of our ERP. It is sort of dashboard for your sales team. From here, you can see all your financial summary. In the last video, we have received an amount against a particular invoice. Here you see the summary in cash flow, how much cash you have received and paid. Likewise, if you have received any amount through bank, accordingly, you get the summary of bank received and paid. Here is your invoices details, total invoice, awaiting payment, and overdue. If required, you able to change these data month-wise and week-wise. Also, you have an option to take a print of this dashboard. You can add new invoices from here if you want to see your created sales order without price. Here, you have separate tab. Click over it. As you can see, all of the orders you've created are visible, but none of them include the price. As I told, suppose you have multiple departments. By grant them this option, you will hide sales order price. After that, they will only see the customer name for which item this order has created, with quantity. By given filters above, classify your data, and click over Sales Order Number. As you see, only items and quantities is appearing. You can print this order in letterhead, attach any file against of it. In today's video, we have covered how to see your created sales orders without price. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, stay with our other videos.